All right, good morning. Today is September 23rd. It's a Friday. Got to be conservative, take safe trades. Market already dropped. Let's go on the weekly. Market already dropped, broke that weekly low in I guess the London session. Here in the daily, you can see it broke it. I don't know what time it broke it, but it broke that doji and dropped down to a daily support. 4 hour, yeah, okay. Yeah, Asian session, I guess it broke. Oh no, London, yeah, Asian London. Anyways, it dropped. Crypto's dropping too. Um, Bitcoin at like 18.5 or something. Oh, 18,900, 19,000. But yeah, I mean, this one on a 4 hour was super clean to take. You know, just look at that. Clean wicks to the left, just as shorted. Here on the 4 hour, we're hitting a possible support, created support over like 2-3 hours ago. So, and there's news at 9:45, and also Powell said he's gonna talk again or like 2:45 or something. What time was that? 2 o'clock. So, this thing could go bullish, but when you look at a 15-minute, you're counter trending. It doesn't make sense to trade that, right? So 4 hour, it's bearish. This is a weak support. There's a previous support back in I think like December, November 2020. But we can see that the market right now, it just broke right through it. So it's a weak support. It could basically clean it. You can see how this candle at 5 to 6 a.m. bounced off it and then it just dropped. So it could just drop. I mean, it could just clean it up right now and go all the way back up. But I'm looking maybe here, if it makes a resistance, I'll short it. Or it could go all the way back up. It wouldn't make, I feel like the weekly candle could end with the lower wick. I don't see it closing with no lower wick unless it drops more, goes up around 2 o'clock when Powell starts talking, and that will create the lower wick for the week. Or right now it's going to create a lower wick, and then when Powell talks, it'll just continue to drop. I don't know what he's talking about. What is he going to talk about? Yeah, nothing. Nothing really. Nothing really. Okay. Um. So we're just gonna wait till resistance get made. This is a 1 hour candle. No trade. 4 hours clean to go up. We need a 9 a.m. closure. 1 hour. It's could be consolidating, and who knows. 30-minute is messy, but lower, higher high, higher lows. But now we got a small bullish candle, and it might come back down to support. So we'll see. I've already accepted that. Maybe today I might not take a trade because it's a Friday. I only did one trade today and ended up in the positive. So, we'll see what happens. All right. So right now we got the 4 hour. And basically, look at this. The 4 hour basically closed below. All right. And we might, well, I might. Oh shit, I didn't even draw it. Just getting ready to maybe take a trade right here. Let's see. So the 4 hour, it closed outside the zone. The 1 hour is still kind of flat, but it still closed outside of the zone. And it broke that small bullish candle. So it might continue bearish, 30-minute looks nice. And yeah, so let's go over to MT4, MT5, I mean. Let's see. Might get a wick fill. But I ain't taking that wick fill because one, it's just 1 minute into the new 1 hour, the new 30-minute, the new 4 hour. I don't like those kind of trades. So possible TP is 185 points away from this area. 185. Gonna mark it over 424. And the other target is, I mean, if it respects that high, it looks good. Was this low? 08, 605. So I mean, here on the 4 hour, not four, on the 1 hour, probably had a support. Well, we'll see, right? And people could have taken it, but it only moved, see, 34 points. Oh man. How many points is this? 337. 70. Two, 3, 5. Two, 3, 2. Here we go. Okay, so it broke the previous 15-minute high. Still okay. Because here the 4 hour, it could retrace as high as this. Or even the 1 hour could retrace as high as that. So I'm gonna see what prints out. And there's also news at 9:45. The flash PMI. Maybe something will happen. We'll see. But you know, if this is the high, then we'll be risking 92 points. High of 693. Something like that. 92.5, and there's enough points because this is 180 points. And see, it's good I didn't play the wick though, because I would have lost right away. Yeah, see. Boom, right here. 15 points, only dropped 7. We oh, I'm gonna pause right here and just wait for maybe 9:50, 9:30. All right, so the 4 hour it actually flipped bullish, right? Hit that resistance, the possible resistance that I was looking at, and right now 30 minutes looking pretty good. I really don't know about taking shorts because here's a little support. So what I'm gonna do, how much is it? 50. Okay, 45. I might take this by and I'm gonna close full right here. Cancelled. Remember, there's news at 9:45, so let's see. Ooh, just drop it. Again, here on the 30-minute, maybe it's a resistance. 1 hour, maybe a resistance. 4 hour, just clean. Ultimately, I'm gonna close 90%. Right around here. There's no, it's already been 2 minutes. Again, there's news at 9:45, so I'm not really, like, I don't need to rush this. If it breaks that low, then I'm probably out of the buy setup. The 30-minute looks okay. Okay. All right, there you go. It broke its own low. So now, it might just drop all the way back down to support, and then 9:45. Let's see if we'll get some impulse sells below this, and then it'll just continue to drop. A little retracement. 30-minute. Those magic keys. Don't want to accidentally press anything. 10 minutes. So if this drops, I want to have it close below, do a little wick up. I might even just run a whole like 160 point risk. Because yeah, like it shouldn't go bullish again if it comes back down here. Let's looking at trading view, daily, 4 hour. Close outside of the zone. You gotta remember that. The 4 hour close outside or just right below the support. So this could create a nice setup. This was the retracement, and then now it's gonna drop, right? Just like this. 113 point, and then it dropped. And now the only difference is now we got dues. And look at that 1 hour. That 1 hour setup looks juicy. That 1 hour looks pretty good. Hey, look at that. Just coming down. I'm gonna watch the 1 hour on Trading View. Because especially that's a long ass wick rejection. Right, so let's gotta move this closer. Gonna be a low risk point. What's my entry? 3.2 lots. We'll see. Ooh, 150 point risk. Low of 30. We'll do like 20. Continue to watch this. 1 hour. Okay, we're gonna watch the 1 hour until 9:45 comes. But if this flips bearish on the 1 hour, I feel like taking it, man. The momentum, the volume, it's looking good. I'm gonna even the 4 hour. The 4 hour is gonna flip. I will flip bearish. 1 hour is gonna be bearish. Six minutes. 6 minutes left till the news comes out. don't know where it could go. It's actually been trending down, the PMIs. Hey, look at that. They wanted 58, 47, so 58, 53, 47, 44. They want 45 now. It could be lower than that. So 1 hour still looks pretty good. You know, we think once this flips bearish, you could run even stops like up here. But I'm not gonna do that. 4 hour flip bearish. No, I think we're good enough to get a few points. I would close 90% at whatever 200 points. Yeah, I'll close like 90%. So 150 point risk. I'll probably close 90% at 100. And I already know, like, once, if it's going to be highly volatile, slippage is going to happen. If I get slipped, then, you know, take what you get. If I lose, then I think that's it, man. One trade and done. This is the only trade that I could probably catch. Otherwise, there's nothing else, man. 3 minutes. $155 point risk. I just want this 1 hour. Oh no. Oh, I wanted to go down. I wanted to look pretty bearish on this 1 hour. Just have it look like a small bearish candle. Get ready to flip. 2 minutes. I forget how volatile PMI can get. I don't know if it will be volatile or not. Ooh, I got more stocks. Had some buy limits. Been slug. $23. I don't know what happened. I don't know. Okay. 1 minute left. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is the 1 hour is looking not yet. Okay. 30 seconds. 40 seconds. This is Billy. Ooh, gold looking bearish. Damn. 16. Hmm. Okay. So we gap down. Failed to break. Okay. So this nothing happened. See gold real quick. Nothing happened on gold too. Honestly, I think right now, let's see the results. Oh, it's good. 49.2. And this flash is 51.8. Wow, okay. It's good. Okay. So maybe we'll continue bullish, which there's still a setup on the bullish side. But now I would just need a closure. That's what I want now. I want a closure outside either way because maybe it's mixed market, mixed news. Who knows? 15 minutes. 3 minutes and 26. All right, so I'm gonna pause real quick and we'll see what it is at 10 o'clock. All right, so right now here, I might take a sell because the market went up. And it went to resistance, respected that high, break that low. Actually, did it break it yet? No, not yet. But the first 5 minute closed in a doji. So if it breaks that, it could break that and then break that. And based off structure, if you look at the 1 hour, it's going to flip bearish. 4 hour will flip bearish. 30 minute will break the previous 30 minute low. It just right now it makes sense. You know, stops are going to be 144 points. Nice range to the left to maybe catch something. Um, yeah. Watch what's happening. Okay, so we broke the low on the, this is a 15. Broke the low on the 5. We got 8 minutes before the 1 hour candle closes. Now, I feel like taking half risk. But structure's there. Half risk because in 7 minutes to 1 hour is going to close. 30 minute, 50 minute will all close. Right? But look at that structure. That candle is just perfect on the 4 hour. 1 hour is looking nice. 30 minute, 15. Yeah, let's do this. Again, I'm going to close 90%. at 45 at 100 points because 100 points. My risk was 140. You know, base of the 15 should just continue down. We'll see. Now, if I don't get filled in the last 5-6 minutes, then I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour to. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour. All right, this low is 08. Let's see. See what happened. Just looking at look at that momentum, man. I'd like a closure outside too. If this closes like right there, even a small bullish candle, that's so good. Wow, we're bearish. Okay, we're breaking. Possibly breaking. This is a 5. Let's see. 15-minute. I mean, a gap down went off, respected the previous high, dropping. I mean, this looks pretty good. EP of like 387 points. Let's see. You're on the 1 hour. So entry price, this entry would be based off 1 hour, right? And if an entry off the 1 hour, then you gotta wait 1 hour for the whole trade. Maybe manage it based off the 15-minute closures instead of the 5 because the 5 ain't gonna be good. You know, I enter off the 15, I enter watch it off the 5-minute, entering off the 1 hour since on a candle flip. 30-minute will also break. Yeah, I can do 30-minute. So look at this. 1 hour is looking so good. Let's just keep it going. But right now, I would actually feel more safe if I get a little closure, like right around here. Don't fill me just yet. A little closure outside, have it wake up and then drop. And that way I can also like minimize my stop loss. Stop loss. $45. Yeah. close below and have this break the low. So if this 1 hour closes, yeah, I could still take sell below this. Still take sell below that. But I would like this to maybe create a close just outside, just close it slightly bearish, and then have it wick up and then drop. The current high would be my stop loss, which could be smaller. I could take, 90% off, even closer. And then yeah. Now. Oh, let's see. 1 minute left. One hour looks good. 4 hour looks good too. Will I get that closure? No upper wick. I'm using the current candle highs. Okay. We got closure on the 15, closure on the 30. I just feel much safe. It's been too volatile. I just feel safer taking the higher stop loss, even though it's lesser risk. Like, unless it pulls back nicely, then I feel good. But this little thing, 24, 20 points. Okay. 200 points. Oh, so we filled. Let's see what happens. Right, this entry was based off the 30-minute. Based off the 15, I could have had tighter stops, like 25-point risk, maybe take profit here, but look at this volatility. This volatility is pretty crazy. You don't know what is happening. So I did it before. Hey, so just gonna watch the 30-minute here. Just documenting my trade. Emotions. Wider stop loss. I wanted a wider stop loss because, I mean, I could have gotten this for 18 points, you know, risking 20, but it's just volatile, man. There's momentum though, but you just never know, man. I would have killed I would have been sad if you know, it stops me out, then it goes my way. That's just sad. That is just sad. Right? But here, you know, I think we're in good waters, man. You know, if you just look left, look at this. This is what we're gonna clean. Yeah, that's what we're gonna clean up. So it's possible. Is that visible on a daily? Yeah, look at that. Visible on a daily. All right. So again, took this trade based off a 30-minute. I mean, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. I don't know what time I started this. You know, 4 hour flip bearish, 1 hour flipped bearish, closed in a doji, wicked up, could fill that. 30-minute broke the previous candle low. And now here, this is, you know, a probable wick fill. Draw 15 point, right, with, you know, some risk. If this 15-minute closes bullish, yeah, I would close half because one, I don't want to, if this closes bullish, basically that's going to tell me that it's just going to be ranging. And I might even just close the whole trade because it doesn't make sense, you know, really doesn't make sense. So we'll see. So thing, this would just go bearish, just looking at the bigger time frames. Could go bearish until like 2-ish, 1 o'clock, which I won't be on the screen anymore. But you know, when you watch this, it's like could go bearish. Right, we got a nice closure there. This looks very more bearish, especially the big sell-off, big wick rejection. Did it see? It already went higher than the previous high at the open. So I would have either lost if I didn't take this 15, like 22, 15. I don't know if I would have taken that. It's scary, man. It's scary. Yeah, this trade was taken based off the 4 hour flipping bearish. Um, 1 hour big wick rejection and also flipping bearish. So we'll see. We shall see. Going bullish. If this one loses, something I can improve on is just wait for the lowest wick to break, and then I wouldn't have been in this trade right now. That's the one thing that I can take from this trade if it loses. You know, I just saw this quick. I've seen a few times the 1 hour flip and it just shoots. Also the 4 hour. I mean, when I had the 4 hour and 1 hour just flip bearish, I'm like, all right, this has potential to go. But now volume's died down. Volume's going down. You know, see, man. See what I get. Sick. Okay. I got filled on SPLG. Yeah. Spies dropping. There you go. Tap drop below 44. Oh shoot. Oh, within the last hour it dropped down to 43. Okay. Oh man, so I gotta feel that 40, 50 cents cheaper. Okay. So this is going, looks like it's going to the negatives. Oh, close in a small bullish candle. So here, the 15-minute, it closed bullish, but it closed in a small indecision candle. 5-minute has a big ass wick rejection, and this 15 still really don't know. I like it. Just basically, this is like non-existent. This is how it ends. I mean, 1 hour. Look at that. It's gonna be bearish. 4 hours still bearish. 30-minute. This turns bearish, and it's bearish. Um, you know, I'm let to see. But if it does break the previous 15, I'll close half. I wouldn't like that. I wouldn't want it to go up. But we'll see. We will see what happens because now I'm thinking just to manage risk is if this let's see, it's 30 minutes. Yeah, if this 15 comes down here, comes back down to the low, and then pulls back, maybe I'll close half because one, I don't want it. It basically says that it might go bullish again. Right now, it just retested the previous low and going back up, which I don't like. You know, always gotta let things close. You know? Don't close emotionally. Close emotion. Look at these rules. This rule right here. Did I take the bigger time frame setup? Yes. The 1 hour and 4 hour. Patience. Is this a good setup? It looked good to me. You know, it was clean. There's a big ass wick to the left and clean, but it is a Friday and it's the end of the week. We got about another week of September, right? Um, and here we got a minute left till the candle close. 15 minutes. This is painful, painful. Man. Saw most of the drawdown I saw was minus 200 bucks. Right? The most profit I saw was probably like 30 bucks or something, man. It wasn't a lot. But you know, it is tough. Makes me think like maybe now I should risk half, you know, an hour like this price action. If this 30 is gonna close in the doji, I'm probably gonna close like half of it because that ain't a good candle. If it closes in the doji after this big ass, bearish candle, which basically, is a doji, which equals at 1 hour. This shit should just drop, man. Come on, man. All right, here we go. Let's see. I might close half. I needed to. Okay, so 5 minute close bearish. Um, Back up. I need this to drop. Like fill this wick. That's what I need. I needed to refill that wick, and if it comes back to entry, then I close half because I don't like that. And then at 10:30, if this does close nice, then I'll have another entry. I could re-add the half risk that I took off. See, now here I could have maybe risked 88. Okay. So we filled that wick. Close half. Boom. Close half. Follow the plan. Let's go. All right. It's all good. 1 point. Close half. Now I feel a bit better. I'm gonna lose less. It filled it, and then it just went back up. Like, come on, man. And this, I might close a little bit over here. I might close 50% here and fold there. So here I like that. Yeah, good. Yeah, close half. Because it even did it break? No. Low is 879. This is 904. Okay. So good. It breaks that low. Ooh, just drop, man. Like it should drop. See? One thing that just came to my mind is if this trade plays out, man, I'm gonna love the higher time frames. And I see, you know, the big traders like Raja Banks, Uncle Ted, Capital Hungry, Jeevan. They take trades off the freaking 4 hours a day. Like it all makes sense. Look at that. Making new it broke its own low. Like now, I'm pretty sure I could re-add the previous risk. You know, we'll have to see where this thing closes. I'll have to see. And I just you know, and yeah, this one will. Ooh, man, and $35. All good. All I need is just confidence. Increase my confidence on the setups, on the analysis, and that's it. In this 30-minute to close bearish. If this closes bullish, I'm out of the trade. Can't handle another like doji like. Oh, this low, if I take a trade here, this low is 90.02. We'll take 600. Okay, it's like a psychological number. It closes. I'm gonna close bullish. I'm gonna close another half because it should not go bullish. If I lose, I lose. I think it'll just be chop. See? Now this one, what I don't like is on 15, long lower wick. This flip bullish, I think it's done. It just be ranging. It's a Friday, nothing else happening. Feel like closing full if it breaks that, but I'm gonna hold for the full minute. It's gonna be a one long minute. Let's see. Oh man, 30 seconds. Get a bearish 30-minute. That would be good. So volatile. So here on the 1 hour, it's still in a doji. Yeah, so honestly, I think I'll just close another half for a smaller loss. If I lose that. Just thinking, where should I? So this 50-minute, it closed with no wick. Possible for this to pull back down, and I'm trying to close half at entry. Now if it just taps it or get close to it, I might just close it like right here. Close half, I mean. Closing half. Closed another half there, and now, this is good trade management on my part. I don't care. Minus 31 points there. If I lose this, it shouldn't be too big. Be like a few hundreds. 67 bucks if I lose. This is good. So stop loss is now at the previous 30-minute high. Yeah. Fortunately, this was a losing trade, but what can you do? So this 30-minute closed, I honestly don't know. Honestly don't know where this is going. It looks like it's just gonna range here. Might have been a bad trade. Maybe the trade was at 930 as it hit the resistance and broke down. Or no trade at all. 70, 62. Thinking. Should I re-enter? Risk is 73. 30-minute, 1 hour. Still looks good. Basic. Number 20. C. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this trade. $30-minute doji. Looking at it, look, this is clean, man. We're right here right now, right? We are right here. This is back in December 21, 2020. And there's still clean traffic for it to drop. You know, candles are the current candle high stop. Um, Also, in the 4 hour, we're gonna make new lows. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, 30-minute previous high. It just dropped, man. I'm bearish. Mix here. Stop here. Okay, so we're in entry off the 30. If I lose, I lose. Just gonna document this. So enter this trade because the 30-minute was previous 30-minute was a doji, broke the previous low. 4 hour continuing with clean traffic to the left on the 4 hour. 1 hour, it went up and then it went bearish again. So it's like there's more bearish momentum. But if I'm getting stuck in this range, man, I am screwed. Just gonna document right now. Sorry, here on the 30. So here you can see basically closing this whole trade here at this point here. The 4 hour, it went up, went bearish again, breaking the previous low and breaking its own lows and its clean traffic to the left. If I can backtrack, let's see. Right here. Yeah, this is it. This is the candle that I'm looking for it to be filled. Right, it's clean. Yeah, rewind again. Right here. There's it right here. So there is a possibility that this thing can drop. And over here where there's a take profit, you know, it's pretty close. That's a little support. Okay, now it makes me want to maybe close like 60. Let's just be a little bit more nicer. 90. Go. So like that's a 4 hour. Here in the 1 hour, um, you know, it should not go bullish again. Still stay bearish. The 30-minute small bullish candle and it just broke the low. So, you know, it makes sense here. 15-minute, Wickfield broke it, man. And man, if I got faked out, shoot. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think this one I'm just gonna close it. This 15-minute candle is gonna close now. So I'm gonna bring stop losses all to the same point. Which this one I wouldn't lose so much. I lose 45 points. Okay. So let's see what we can get. For watch it. Stop loss for everything is at the current 30-minute high, which it should not drop. I mean, should not break, because if it does, then we're going bullish. Like, that'll be a long upper wick, you know. Um, very wishy-washy. 15 minutes closing. So, you know what? If this 15-minute, it does a little bit of a lower wick, that's fine. You got a minute left. And this thing should just, you know, we'll see. I think even if I hit 50, this shit hits 50. Where's a 50 point? Right around here. 29, 50, 50. I'm going to close maybe all of it. No, 90%. I'll close 90%. Because I'm stressed. Man, this thing is stressful. I'm not used to holding trades this long. That's what I'm going to document. Stressful. I mean, previously I lost 24 bucks, so as long as I make more than 24, then I make some money. But I would love to just stick to the plan. And, you know, now here also, I have to be aware that the 15-minute or the 30-minute closes with no lower wick. It's going to retrace, and I got to be okay. Let it retrace and then break it slow. You know, that's what I got to be okay with. That's no lower wick. Oh no, 15-minute, no lower wick, small wick. Can't overanalyze, man. Can't overanalyze. No, because if I start analyzing this, like the 5-minute, it's gonna break the previous high, then I'm gonna just lose it. Too much thinking, you know? Too much thinking. I entered this based off a 15-minute break. So I gotta hold for 5 minutes. Yeah, this one I gotta hold for 5 minutes and just manage risk the proper way on the second entry, because it could go up to here and then pull back and drop. You don't know. You gotta hold it. And now I'm getting too cocked because it's going my way. Look at that. Um, I just want like up to here, man. This drops at 76. We are gonna watch. What I don't like also is that the 1 hour closes very soon. And I don't know where the hell the 1 hour wants to close. It can get scary. Two minutes left. So if this 5 minute closes bearish yet. I'll close 50%. Well, you can't see it here. Half of 5.4, 2.7. So we'll see. Yeah. Man, it's so stressful. And also, I just don't like being in trades for too long. Like, really don't like that. I like to be in and out of trades and within minutes. You know. But look, I see volume picking up for some reason. Like it's just whipping up and down like crazy. I think if it hits 50, I'll watch price and I'll close like percent. It just taps the 50 mark. 43 seconds, man. Just managing here with magic keys. Definitely get one. Link is in the bio. But look, my second position only up 10 points, 10 pips or something, man. So this one that I closed up here, close it up. I just don't know because I entered. No, I'll analyze it after. Okay, so 5 minute close bearish, but it's getting weak. I don't like that. I honestly do not like that. Weak when I feel like close. Oh, Nope, nope, nope. I was getting emotional of closing half once it hits entry, but I will close half if it breaks the 5 minute high. I see the bears getting weaker, but if it respects this high and then does another break, then maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. You gotta can't be emotional, man. So this there, you know, it has to break it. It's safe to say to close 15 minutes. Oh, this 15 minutes still moving. Man, yeah, I think oh, minus 200. So I'm moving stops to entry on my first position, and the other one is still going to be up there. There you go. All right, let's see what we can get. Right, respected that. Let's get a bearish, big ass bearish candle, man. Let's break that low. Let's break that low. Honestly, I think I might just keep $100 through this. Let's see where this 5 minute close. 2 minutes. Oh my god. 2 minutes a long ass time, man. But watch, I'm getting emotional. I can feel it. I'm getting sweaty. You know, I get to clean traffic to the left. 30 minute, 1 hour. Sometimes in the last, holy fuck, man. You know what? I think gotta be less emotional. Shit. See. Hey, boss. Okay, tapped out. Yeah, I had a max of like $100, but Books. And then well, first trade I lost 68 bucks. Not much. Oh no, I lost $18. Yeah, first trade I lost 18 bucks. Not bad. That's pretty good. Next trade I lost like something. See, I knew it. What one thing that I close is because this bearish candles, man. I think once it turned bullish, I should have closed. Oh, damn. All right. Back in drawdown for the month. Beat it. Oh, that's 152. Dude, my entry is over. Oh boy. Look at this just dropping. I'm gonna be mad. Didn't. There you go. Damn, bro. Wow. I mean, I did a base off structure. You know, it's okay. Back down. It's actually not bad. I risked 400 bucks and I lost 150, which is like 25% to 40%. Damn. You can see, man, this is just it's it took forever. I don't like those trades. Don't like those trades, man. And now it's probably gonna drop. Is what always happens. It always happens in the market like that. Go watch this thing drop. Damn, man. Can't believe it. It's crazy. Not crazy that I lost. Is oh, 30 points. All right. Anyways, and that's what always happens. When the hourly closes or 4 hour closes, the market either shoots up, pulls back, leaves a long lower wick, and then continues your way. But overall, I didn't lose too much. Look at that. Lost 170 bucks. I lost 0.85%, which is very small. It's okay. It's very small. I could have come out winning. I saw like 100 something. points. So I'll check the recordings, but yeah, that's how much I had. So it's all good, man. There you go. Now this could be another entry, but I'm gonna take it. 15-point risk. Wow. All right, gonna click this down before I break it. But also, see one thing, I took it off the 4 hour, so maybe I should have kept stop like above the 4 hour high. You know, maybe that's what I should have done. Right? Like no way it should so like on a 45-point risk. Anyways, for my account, I'm only down like 12, no, $22. It's not much. See you guys on Monday.